time is up. Hey, let's get it.
Newton's first law, also known as the law of inertia, states that an object at rest will remain at rest, and an object in motion will remain in motion at a constant speed and in a straight line unless acted on by an unbalanced force.
But I got just enough to get off in this club. Have me a good time before my time is up. Hey, let's get it now.
I want the time of my life. Mr. Worldwide. Oh, baby.
This represents Newton's first law because the basketball is at rest, but once I apply an unbalanced force to the basketball by kicking it, it sets the ball into motion. Once the ball is in motion, it begins to roll in the grass, and the friction from the grass begins to slow down the ball and eventually brings the basketball to a rest on the top of the hill.
Let's get it. This is the last $20 I got, but I'ma have a good time ballin' in that. Set the bar.
Newton's second law states that the acceleration of an object depends on the mass of the object and the amount of force applied. This is also known as the equation of force equals mass times acceleration.
Be a good time before my time is up. Hey, let's get it now.
I want the time of my life.
This represents Newton's second law because the empty wheelbarrow requires less force to accelerate than the full wheelbarrow. This is because the empty wheelbarrow has less mass, so then it requires less force to accelerate than the full wheelbarrow.
Tonight I'ma lose my mind. Better get yours.
Newton's third and final law states that whenever one object exerts a force on a second object, the second object exerts an equal and opposite force on the first object.
It's my night, your night, our night. Let's turn it up.
I knew my rent was gonna be later.
This represents Newton's third and final law because when I apply force to the basketball by pushing it down, it creates an equal and opposite reaction once the ball hits the ground, causing it to bounce back up.